Adjectives ending in ing and ed. We form some adjectives from verbs by adding ing or ed endings to them. So, ing and ed are verb endings, right? Not so fast. We English speakers like to turn verbs into adjectives, and both the ing and ed endings may be used to do this. It won't work for every verb, but here we've brought together some common examples of verbs that are used this way, as what we sometimes call participial adjectives. They're formed from the participles of the verb. Are you ready? Adjectives ending in ing describe the effect that something has on someone's feelings. They describe a process or state that continues over a period of time and have an active meaning. Adjectives ending in ed describe people's feelings. They have the same form as the past participle of a transitive verb and have a passive meaning. The suffix ing is related to cause. When the adjective ends in ing, it means that the person or thing causes this particular effect. The lesson is boring. In this sentence, boring characterizes the lesson. It bores students. When the adjective ends in ed, it means that the person or thing experiences this particular effect. The students are bored with the lesson. In this sentence, bored is how the students feel. List of common adjectives ending in ing and ed. Verb. Adjective ending in ing. Adjective ending in ed. Amaze. Amazing. Amazed. Annoy. Annoying. Annoyed. Astonish. Astonishing. Astonished. Bore. Boring. Bored. Convince. Convincing. Convinced. Disgust. Disgusting. Disgusted. Embarrass. Embarrassing. Embarrassed. Excite. Exciting. Excited. exhaust, exhausting, exhausted. Depress, depressing, depressed. Disappoint, disappointing, disappointed. Frighten, frightening, frightened. Interest, interesting, interested. Relax, relaxing, relaxed. Satisfy, satisfying, satisfied. Shock, shocking, shocked. Surprise, surprising, surprised. Terrify, terrifying, terrified. Tire, tiring, tired. Worry, worrying, worried. These words are all very common, and practicing them will help you build your vocabulary without learning all new words. We hope you find the list charming and not boring.